Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to create a block in system.io. So the first you want to do is to log into your system.io account, and in your dashboard you want to click onto blocks. And here you can see we have not created any block yet. So we want to click onto this button that says create. Here we can give this a block name, so for example block name #1, and then a domain name. Now, if you're using a free plan of system.io, unfortunately, you are not able to actually change this name. But what you can do is change the URL path. So this could be, for example, test. Then you can choose a template. You can see this is the template that is selected, but we also have many different kinds of templates right here. I think this one looks pretty good. We can preview this template. You can see this is how this template looks like. I think this is pretty nice. So what we can do is go back. I'll select this template and then I'll click on save. Now after a few seconds our block should be created. You can see the homepage URL and when this block has been created. So what you can do now is to click onto the three dots and then click onto settings, and here you can edit the things that we have now basically added. So for example, language, URL path, name, and domain name. If you click onto the block, you can then see your posts, pages, and categories. In this case, there are 6 template posts or 6 pre-built posts basically, so the page doesn't look empty. Then we have pages. There are 4 pages that were created already, which is homepage, post list page, about us page, and contact page, and then categories. So we have category 1, category 2, and category 3. We can also click onto our block settings. I can see that is the same actually. If we then click onto post, we can create a new post here. You can do that by actually giving this a title, giving this a description. You can also choose an image as well as choose a category. So if I now actually want to view my blog and open this blog in a new website, let's see what this is. Yeah, so this is our blog page. Let's see this. Okay. So this is our blog page. You can see those are the 6 blogs that we have pre-built. Then we have the 3 categories in total, and yeah, now we want to change all of these things. So how do we do that? We go back to system.io and we can change the block layout here, for example. So we are now on the page editor. You can see this is our home page. So what you can do now, you could change this logo, for example. If you click on this button, it will open up the folder of your local device, and then you will be able to select a different image file. Then you can also choose the action when that image is clicked, which could be open up a URL, and here you can paste the link that should open up when people click this logo. This could be your homepage, for example. So you can paste in the URL of your homepage. And then you can also decide if you would like to open this link up in a new window. So when I click this logo, it opens up a new or our homepage in a new tab. Then you have more settings like image size, alignment, margin, rounded corners, filters, shadows. You have many different options right here. So then we have our header. So here we can change these links as well, or we can add a menu item. So we have home, articles, contact us, and about us. So what we could do is we could also post our terms of service. This will be a blog link to our terms of service. In this case, we don't have any terms of service created yet, so I'll not be able to add a link to this. So we have now added a new header menu basically. Then we have our blog content. What you can do here, you can also add text, headline text, bullet lists, content boxes, blog content, a form, a checkbox, some media. So there are many different things that you can actually do. You can also insert raw HTML like this. And here you can basically enter in raw HTML. Let's see if we edit this. Let's see. So there should be, oh, there it is. Oh, it's gone. Let's try this again. There was an option to actually edit code right here. And here you would be able to actually edit or add HTML code. So you can even add HTML code. In this case, I'll remove this item. We have our blog content, and then we have our footer. The footer is the same. You can change the links, you can change the categories, you can change this newsletter, or you can remove this, and then you also can change this text, for example. So created with system.io, you can remove this and yeah, enter in a copyright sign and or created by Halo. So this is, for example, something that you could change. You could change the links to your social media channels. So you can see this is the link where this is the input where you would like to enter in a link to your Twitter or X account. So yeah, you have many different options to actually change this page. You can save the changes, and after saving the changes, you can exit this right here, and we're back in our blog dashboard. Here the same works with posts. So when you click onto a post, you can see we're on a post right here. You can change the post, you can change the images, you can add more images. So it's here, if we have media, if we add an image below this, we can also select a file like this one, for example, and therefore we can add images to our blog article. Yeah, so you can see all this can be changed. Save the changes and we'll exit. So this is how to basically edit those posts. We can also edit the pages like we've done with the home page. Here we could create a terms of service page. Terms of service. Oh, okay, this is the name actually. So terms of service, and here we want to enter in the URL path, which would be this, and then we want to create this blog page. And now if you click on terms of service, yeah, here we'll be able to actually add a text, and here we'll be able to actually add or insert our terms of service. So save the changes. We have now a TOS page. So for example, if you would go into block layout, it is pretty simple. We could click onto the TOS button and actually add or select our terms of service here. So that's, for example, how to edit your header of your page. Now what I also want to show you is the obviously the pages that we have, and then categories. So you have to know that all blog posts can be added to a category. Categories can be food, travel, sports, whatever, news for example, and you can add or create these categories. If you click onto settings, you can see the category name, the category path, description, SEO title, if you want to rank if you actually want to use this category to rank on Google for search results, for example, and SEO description. Let me show you how to create a category. We want to give this a name of sports. The path will be sports as well, that is fine. Or you could, for example, say new sports. So it will be yourdomain.com/new-sports or new-sports. Give this a description. Here on this page, you can see all our articles about sport. Then we can give this an SEO title. So for example, best sports articles. When people search for best sports articles, we should show up. Obviously that is like SEO is like a whole nother topic, but that's like the basic explanation of SEO. Then SEO description, we want to add some keywords as well. Here you will find our best sports articles. So something like that. Obviously you should put in a little more thought into your SEO title and description, but you can then click on save, and you can see that you've created this new category. So if you go back, yeah, we will be able to view our blog here. Obviously I've already opened our blog in a new page. So if I now refresh the page, is it the right website? Let's see. Or is it this one? Okay, so if I open up or view our blog, you'll be able to see that yeah, we should actually have this TOS link right here. Let's see why that is why that's not the case. So alright, I'm not sure where to actually publish this blog. I'm not sure if it has to be published or if it just takes a while until the changes are saved. Oh, let's see, I need to go back. If you now go back to our blog, duplicate share settings. So it should be online. Actually, if I visit this URL, I should be able to actually visit this page. So let's try this. Okay, looks like this button doesn't show up, so it seems like you need to wait a while until you actually can see the changes. But that's everything you need to know about creating a blog in Systeme.io. Now, if this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, and thank you for watching.